Good morning, everyone. I hope everyone are fine. The last class we saw the introduction of the second supplementary, The Adventures of Toto. Today we just start the classes of The Adventures of Toto. Let's we read the hints. Have you ever had a baby monkey as a pet? Toto is a baby monkey. Let's find out whether he is mischievous or docile. So what is mischievous? Mischievous means misbehaving and docile means controlled. Okay. This line which expressed, do you have any baby monkey? Do you have a baby monkey as your pet? See, in our home we have pet like dog and cat. Somebody they have parrots also. But do you have monkey at your home as a pet? So if you have means, how do you manage those pet? Like that you have to express. Okay, so this is also a story of Toto, that is a pet and pet of the grandfather, and how he managed that Toto. Like that we are going to see in the lesson. Let's we read the first paragraph. Grandfather bought Toto from a Tonga driver for the sum of 5 rupees. The Tonga driver used to keep the little red monkey tied to feeding through, and the monkey looked so out of place there that grandfather decided he would add the little fellow to his private zoo. So from the first paragraph, what we have to know means, a grandfather who bought the Toto, the small monkey which name is Toto. From whom he bought means from the Tonga driver. Tonga, that is a place. From the Tonga driver who bought the Toto for 5 rupees. Okay. Then he just tied the monkey. Tied we already know. The grandfather who tied the monkey, then feeding, giving food to the monkey. After that, the monkey which looked so pretty, so that the grandfather who want to add that little monkey to his private zoo. The grandfather who already have the zoo, little zoo in his home, he just have a zoo, collection of birds and animals. For that one he want to add that little monkey. Come to the second paragraph. Toto was a pretty monkey. Pretty means that is more beautiful monkey. His bright eyes sparkled with mischief beneath deep set eyebrows. The Toto, that is a small monkey. After that is very pretty monkey. The eyes of the Toto which is producing small flash of light. It's producing some light. Sparkling means it's attracting everyone. Okay, sparkling means it's attracting everyone. With mischief beneath deep set eyebrows, the eyebrows which are too dark, and his teeth which were a pearly white. This paragraph which described about the Toto, how is the hair and how is the teeth and how is his eyebrows, like that. Before we saw the dark eyebrows, the Toto had then sparkling eyes, brightening eyes the Toto have. After that, the teeth which is compared to the pearl which is in white color, so that pearl that is compared to Toto's teeth were very often displayed in a smile that frightened the life out of elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. So the monkey, it's have pearly white teeth, so that it always shows, it's always laugh with the help of the teeth, so that it shows the teeth always. So many people they are frightened of the teeth. So that teeth that is compared to the elderly Anglo-Indian ladies. Anglo-Indian means he is partially Indian and partially a foreigner, and elderly means a old lady teeth. Okay, if the old lady who is always showing her teeth in front of you, how will you feel? Like that the monkey which is showing the teeth. But his hands looked dried up, as though they had been pricked in the sun of many years. So the hands of the Toto, the hands of the A little monkey. A little monkey name is Toto. That is very dried. Like that, pickled. Pickled means we already know the pickle. So for preparing pickle, we just try the pickle more than 2 months or 3 months. Like that, how is the hand of Toto means, if we are showing our hand under the sun so many years, how will our hand look like that? Like that, the monkey hand is there. Okay, that is too dry and lean. Yet his fingers were quick and wicked. His fingers, that is very short, and what is the meaning of wicked is very bad. It's look very bad. Okay, the fingers of the Toto, that is very short and very bad. And his tail, while adding to his good looks. Grandfather believed a tail would add to anyone's good look. So the tail of the Toto, which gives some good looks to him, the grandfather who's also believe if anybody who have a tail, they are looking more beautiful. Like that, the grandfather who think also served as the third hand. The tail which is used as a third hand. Usually humans who are having 2 hands. The monkey who is having 2 hands, 2 legs. Okay, the tail which helping as him as a third hand. He could use it to hang from the branch. So Toto, who is using his tail for hanging and moving one branch from the another branch of the trees, and each was capable of scooping up and delicacy that might be out of reach of his hand. What is the meaning of scooping? Scooping means to pick up in one quiet. The scooping means jumping one place to another place. With the help of his tail, he just stumping one place to another place. And delicacy, which means state of being luxurious. That is more happy when it's moving one place to another place with the help of his third hand. That is the tail. Okay. Then come to the next paragraph, third paragraph. Grandmother always first when grandfather brought home some new birds or animal. What is the meaning of first? Means activity that is unusual. He used to make angry when the grandfather who bought any animal at his home. Okay, so the grandmother who hate animals, so that when the grandfather who bought animal to the home, the grandmother used to shout at the grandfather. So it was decided that Toto present should be kept a secret from her until she was in particularly good mood. So the grandfather who decided that he have to keep the Toto secret in his home. When the grandmother who have a good mood, that time he is ready to show to grandmother. Okay, like that the grandfather who planned. Come to the next line. Grandfather and I put him away in the little closet opening into my bedroom wall. Grandfather and I. What is the meaning of I? Here I which mentioned the writer. Okay. So grandfather, after that the writer, both have the plan. They have to put the Toto in the closet. What is the meaning of closet? Means a small room that is used for storing things. Closet means that is a storeroom. Okay, that is like a storeroom. So all unwanted items they are keeping in the storeroom. So in the storeroom, the grandfather and the author, they decided to keep that Toto secretly, and that Toto closet room that is very near to, when the closet room which is open, the room which is open, that is directly direct to the bedroom of the writer. Okay, where he was tied securely, or so we thought, to a peg fastened into the wall. So that closet room, the author and the grandfather who kept the Toto very secretly. After that they peg. What is the meaning of peg? Mean a small piece of wood. With the help of the small piece of wood, they just tie or pasted into the wall. So hanger, we know in our home we are having the hanger. For that only we just hang our clothes. Okay, like that. In our home we are having. So with the help of a instrument like the hanger, which is pasted or joined into the wall, there they tied the Toto. Okay. And come to the next paragraph. A few hours later, when grandfather and I came back to release Toto, we found that the walls, which had been covered with some ornamental paper chosen by the grandfather, now stood out as nagged brick and plaster. So after some more few hours later, grandfather and the author who came to that particular room, closet room, okay, that storeroom, to look at the Toto. But the Toto which is not there, before that the Toto which is attached to the wall and tied with the help of this wood which is pasted on the wall. But when they see there is no Toto, after that, before that wall which was covered by some ornament, decorative ornament, but now all the papers, they are tears. Okay, they are tears. The brick in the wall had been wrenched from its socket. So what is the meaning of wrenched? Wrenched means to pull with sudden violent moment. Peg means we already know a small piece of wood. With the small piece of wood, first they pasted on the wall. After that only they tied the Toto, that peg. Okay. So within the few hours, the Toto who removed that peg from the wall, after that it tear all the things and went away. Okay, the peg in the wall had been wrenched from its socket. The peg in the wall had been wrenched in the socket, and my school blazer which had hanging there was in shred. So after that, that monkey who went near the blazer, school blazer of that author. Okay, from this line we are coming to know the author who is going to the school blazer, the coat that is hanging on the wall. So the Toto who took that blazer and tear it into the pieces. Shred means completely ruin. Okay, completely ruin means it's just tear it so many pieces. I wonder what grandmother would say, but grandfather, don't worry, he seems pleased with Toto's performance. At the time, the the author who is worrying about grandmother, if the grandmother find out this, what the grandmother will tell to grandfather? Definitely the grandmother who will scold to grandfather, like that. The narrator who is worrying about the grandfather, but the grandfather who is not worry about anything, he just enjoy performance of the Toto, because that is very naughty Toto. Okay, very naughty monkey. So that's the grandfather who just enjoy the behavior of the monkey. So from this first page, what we come to know, the first paragraph, a grandfather, the author grandfather who bought a small monkey from Tonga driver for 5 rupees and gave the name of Toto, and he tied. After that, he giving food to that monkey, and he liked the monkey very well. After that, he just described the monkey, a monkey which is in little red monkey. Okay, that is a little which is in red color monkey. And the grandfather who want to added in his private zoo, he already have a zoo in his home, a small zoo in his home, he want to added that one. After that, the second paragraph which described about that monkey, how is that eyes, and how is the eyebrows, and how is the teeth of the monkey, and how is the tail, hand, teeth, like that it's describing. Okay, the second paragraph which is describing about the Toto. After that, the third paragraph which is telling the grandmothers who's always getting angry when the grandfather who bought some monkeys or animals or the bird in his home. He don't like animals. so that she will shout always to the grandfather. So the author and the grandfather who have the plan, they have to keep the monkey very secretly at the storeroom. When the grandmother who is in the good mood, they can show to the grandmother. Like that they have the plan. So that they tied the monkey in the closet, that storeroom. After that they went out. Within the few hours they return and come to see the Toto. Between the time the Toto, it tear everything and it destroyed the school blazer of the author also. Okay, so the author who is worrying about the grandfather, surely grandfather will get the scold from the grandmother, but the grandfather who have not any worries because he just interesting to see the naughtiness of the small monkey Toto. Okay, this is how we saw today. The remaining paragraph let's we see tomorrow. Thank you.